Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your video in the editor and immediately importing or creating the subtitle track. This avoids later sync headaches. Once the video is loaded, add an SRT or VTT file or choose New Subtitle and pick the language and UTF-8 encoding so special characters remain intact. Make sure the timecode format matches your project. Drop frame versus non-drop matters for broadcast. Then place the subtitle track on the timeline directly beneath the video and play a short segment to confirm alignment before continuing. Now focus on precise syncing and readable text. Use the audio waveform and frame-by-frame stepping to nudge cue start and end frames so words appear with speech. Aim for 1/6 seconds per cue depending on length. Edit the text to split long sentences into 1-2 lines, keep line length under about 32 characters, and add speaker labels if needed. Once done, play the video at normal speed to check reading pace and readability, making micro-adjustments until the captions flow naturally with the dialogue. Finish by choosing how to deliver subtitles. Export a soft subtitle file, SRT or VTT, for selectable captions, or render hard subs burned into the video for universal compatibility. Make sure to match the project's frame rate/timebase and export using UTF-8. After exporting, test the file in several players and devices to verify timing and character rendering. If you see consistent offset or garbled characters, reopen the project, correct the timebase, or re-export with UTF-8. That single fix resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.